Hello, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk a little bit about finance. I want to talk specifically about Bitcoin, and I want to talk about how to buy it. The easiest way to buy Bitcoin, in my opinion, right now is with Cash App. For example, on Cash App right now, I save in Bitcoin on Cash App. You basically go on the Cash App logo. When you open it, you go on the house icon at the bottom. There is a house icon all the way at the bottom. You click on it and then you scroll down and you see like Bitcoin information. There's a place where you could click to like buy and stuff, but I'm not sure what are the regulations or what are the situations on how to start to buy, but I believe you have to enter your information. You obviously have to enter like your bank information, but I don't know if you have to put in your ID. You probably would have to put in like your ID, so in case you're buying and selling, you would have to, the IRS will be able to tax you. So you obviously are going to have to enter like your information, because just like with any stock portfolio that you want to open, it's a similar setup to how you're going to have to open like a Bitcoin account. So you can easily buy Bitcoin on Cash App. You can easily buy it on Coinbase. Coinbase gives you the option to buy not only Bitcoin, you can buy a variety of other coins like Doge, Litecoin, Cardano, all these other coins. Like there's several other coins that you can buy on Cash App. You can also buy on PayPal as well. I know you can buy Bitcoin on that. I'm not sure if you can buy other cryptocurrencies on PayPal or not. Well, anyway, that's what I wanted to share right now. And I also wanted to say that you could set it up to do like a recurrent payment or a recurrent purchase. In fact, you can set up on Coinbase to get paid in Bitcoin. Like you can set up on Cash App for your job to pay you on Cash App and for you to get paid in Bitcoin. Isn't that like amazing? Like, you know, to decide like you're gonna get paid in an investment and then you can come back the next month and it has grown, you know. So you could basically save in Bitcoin on Cash App and just put your money there. I personally do. I don't get paid in Bitcoin, but I do save, and I do have recurrent payments on Cash App. So I just wanted to talk about Cash App because that is the one that I use the most. I also use Coinbase, but not as much as Cash App, because Cash App for me is easier. If I wanted to sell, I also, oh my goodness, I'm sorry that I just left that and I'm going straight into this part, but I want to talk about like the Cash App card, because Cash App has a black card that is just so amazing. I want to talk about that Cash App black card. What I love about that card is, unlike a regular bank card, for example, if I was going to take my regular bank card to my country in Africa, in West Africa, Cameroon, I would have to call the bank first to make sure that I can use the card. It has to be secure. There are all these conditions, blah blah blah. But with my Cash App bank card, as long as I have money in the Cash App, I can swipe the card anywhere, and I like that. It's easy to use the card. It's easy to use the card anywhere. I just love that. As long as you have money in your card, it's easy to swipe that card anywhere in any country. As far as I know, I was able to use it in my country. I was able to use it in Canada as well, and I just love that. Anyway, that's all I wanted to say about that. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, make sure you like and subscribe. All right, take care, guys. Bye.